Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox on MacBook. First, make sure your MacBook meets the necessary system requirements for a smooth gaming experience. Then, open your web browser, like Safari or Chrome, and head over to the official Roblox website. This is the safest and most reliable way to begin your installation process, ensuring you get the legitimate software directly from the source. Once on the Roblox website, either log in to your existing account or quickly create a new one if you're a first-time user. After logging in, choose any game you wish to play and click the prominent Play button. This action will trigger the download of the Roblox Player application. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to run the installer and complete the installation process in just a few moments. After a successful installation, the Roblox Player application should launch automatically, ready for you to dive into the action. If it doesn't, you can easily locate it in your MacBook's Applications folder. From there, simply return to the Roblox website, pick any game that catches your eye, and click Play to launch it directly through the installed player. Get ready to explore countless user-created worlds. If you encounter any issues, first check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Also, make sure your Mac OS is updated to its latest version, as this can resolve compatibility problems. For better performance, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. If problems persist, a simple restart of your MacBook can often clear up minor glitches and get you back into the game quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.